Today is day 25, future tense. This is our last tense of this video course series. After learning this tense, you will be able to make sentences about the future. This tense also follows the same logic with how all tenses are made in Turkish, so you'll pick this up in a jiffy too. You can download the cheat sheet for this lesson by visiting the link in the video description below. And a friendly reminder, be a supporter member and do the exercises for this video. You can find the exercise links and more information about supporter membership in the video description below. Okay then, let's learn the future tense. In today's lecture, we will learn the last tense for this lecture series, the future tense. We use the future tense to talk about things that haven't happened yet but will take place in the future. We usually use certain time expressions to further amplify the meaning of the future tense by adding the below words in the chart. We turn the verb into the future tense by adding the ecek, acak suffix to the end of the root of the verb and finally adding the personal suffix. Let's see the conjugation chart. Here are some sentence examples. Yarın kütüphanede ödevimi yapacağım. Ahmet bu akşam arkadaşı Sinan'la sinemaya gidecek. Sen alışverişini yapana kadar dışarıda bekleyeceğim. Negative future tense sentences are made by inserting the me, ma between the verb root and the future tense suffix ecek, acak. Bugün okula hasta olduğum için gitmeyeceğim. Gelecek ay evimin önündeki yüzme kursuna devam etmeyeceğim. Ayşe bozuk arabasını henüz satmayacak. Like in all other tenses, we make future tense questions by adding the mi question particle after the root of the verb conjugated with the ecek, acak suffix. We add the personal suffix after the question particle. Here are some example sentences. Hafta sonu Ayşe'nin doğum günü partisine gidecek misin? Ahmet telefonda. Onunla konuşacak mısın? Yarın sabah benimle spor salonuna gidecek misin? Negative future tense questions are made by simply adding the ma, me before the ecek, acak suffix. The rest of the question sentence stays the same. Let's see some sentence examples. Bu gece birlikte film izlemeyecek miyiz? Babanlar bu hafta sonu bizi ziyarete gelmeyecekler mi? Okul ödevini bitirmeyecek misin? There might be some expressions in some of these sentences that you may not know, but don't worry, we will cover all the required topics by the end of this lecture.